Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected lecturer and my friends. My name is Dea Aulia Aziza and I am from English Education Department of Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. And today I would like to present my research proposal entitled Factor Influencing Student Reading Ability and Pronunciation in EFL Student. Okay, without further ado, let's move on to the background of the study. Okay, as you can see here, English is an international language used in education and communication. And then reading and pronunciation are essential component of English proficiency. And many EFL students still experience difficulty in both areas. And then several factors may influence the skill, such as phonological awareness, first language interference, and then reading activities. And previous studies mainly investigate these factors separately, and then therefore the study examined them simultaneously. And as we know, English is widely used in many aspects of life, such as education, communication, science, and technology. Therefore, students are expected to develop good English skills. Among many language skills, I focus on reading ability and pronunciation because both are essential for successful English learning. Reading helps students understand written information, enrich their vocabulary, and improve comprehension. Meanwhile, good pronunciation enable students to communicate their ideas clearly and confidently. However, many EFL students still face difficulty in these two areas. Several factors may influence their performance, including phonological awareness, first language interference, and reading activities. Most previous studies investigate these factors separately. Therefore, this study aims to examine them simultaneously to provide a more comprehensive understanding. Okay, now let's move to reason for choosing the topic. I choose this topic for several reasons. First, reading and pronunciation are fundamental aspects of English learning because they support students' overall language competence. And then second, many students still have difficult understanding English text and pronouncing English words correctly. This problem may affect their confidence and academic performance. And finally, although many previous studies have discussed reading and pronunciation individually, only a few students have investigated the factors influencing both skills at the same time. This became the main motivation for conducting this research. Okay, for the next is research problem. This study has two research problems. The first is what factor influence students' reading ability in EFL context, and then the second is what factors influence student pronunciation ability. These two research questions become the focus of my study. Through this question, I would like to identify the factors that significantly influence students' reading ability and pronunciation. Okay, the next is literature review. In this research, reading ability refers to student ability to understand written text and obtain information effectively. Students with good reading ability usually have better vocabulary and comprehension. Pronunciation, on the other hand, is the ability to produce English sounds accurately, including stress and intonation. Good pronunciation helps students communicate clearly and reduce misunderstanding during communication. For the next objective of the study, simply put, this research seeks to identify which factors contribute to students' performance in reading and pronunciation. The findings are expected to provide useful information for English teaching and learning. Next is significance of the study. For students, the study can help them understand what factors influence their reading ability and pronunciation. And then for teacher, the findings may help them design more effective teaching strategies. And then for the future researchers, the study can be used as a references for conducting similar research. Now move to research gap. Based on previous study, most researchers focus on only one variable, such as pronunciation, reading ability, and phonological awareness. In contrast, the study combines three independent variables and examines their influence on both reading ability and pronunciation simultaneously. This is the research gap that my study aims at to address. Okay, now let's move to the next slide is theoretical background. The independent variables in this study are phonological awareness, first language interference, and reading activities. Meanwhile, dependent variables are reading ability and pronunciation ability. These variables will be analyzed to determine whether there is a significant relationship between them. Okay, now let's move to conceptual framework. The conceptual framework shows that phonological awareness, first language interference, and reading activities are assumed to influence student reading ability and pronunciation. Later, this relationship will be tested statistically using multiple linear regression analysis. Next is research methodology. The participants are English education students at Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. The sample consists of approximately 3rd to 5th students selected through purposive sampling because they meet specific criteria related to the study. Okay, next is research instrument. The first instrument is questionnaire used to measure phonological awareness, first language interference, and reading abilities. And then the second instrument is a reading comprehension test used to assess student reading ability. And then finally, the pronunciation test asks students to read the passage aloud and their pronunciation is assessed using a scoring rubric. Next, data collection procedure. The process begins with identifying the research problem and developing the instrument. After the instruments are validated, I will obtain permission to conduct the research. And then next, I will distribute the questionnaire, administer the reading comprehension test and pronunciation test, and finally, organize all the collected data before analysis. Okay, next, data analysis. First, descriptive statistics will be conducted to describe the collection data. And then the validity and reliability of the instrument will be tested. And then after that, assumption tests including normality, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity tests will be carried out. Finally, multiple linear regression analysis will be used to examine the influence of the independent variables on reading ability and pronunciation. Okay, now let's move on to expected findings. The study is expected to identify factors influencing reading ability, factors influencing pronunciation, the contribution of each independent variable, and then recommendation for English teaching. And hopefully this research can identify the factors that significantly influence student reading ability and pronunciation. The results are also expected to provide recommendations for English teachers in selecting effective learning strategies and become a useful reference for the future research. Okay, finally, these are the references that support my research proposal. The references include books and journal articles related to reading ability, pronunciation, phonological awareness, and English language learning. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. That is the end of presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.